Let us have some brief introduction about multivibrators, the second half of our fifth unit. Okay, let us see the basic definition of multivibrator, the structure of multivibrator, and the additional components that are present in multivibrator, states of multivibrator, and types of multivibrators. Okay, so first the definition of multivibrator. It is having two terms. First one is multi, second one is vibrator. Multi means many. Vibrator refers to the word oscillations. So a circuit which provides oscillations at many frequencies is called a multivibrator. What is multivibrator? A circuit which provides oscillations refers to vibrations at many refers to multi frequencies is called as a multivibrator. So this is called a multivibrator. It can provide it oscillations at many frequencies. Generally, multivibrators are the circuits which are used to produce non-sinusoidal waveforms at output like square wave, spikes, like that. Let us see some couple of points about multivibrators. It consists of two stages which are cross coupled via coupling elements. So in multivibrators there will be two stages which are cross coupled. Cross coupling means the output of stage 1 is connected to input of stage 2 and the output of stage 2 is connected as input of stage 1. That is called cross coupling. So the coupling elements decides the state of multivibrator. Okay. In which state does the multivibrator is lying? State refers to existence of multivibrator when it is on condition. Okay. So multivibrator is a switching circuit. It is a switching circuit because we are having transistor in that. Because of cross coupling, the stages will have complementary outputs. That means if first stage output is low, then the output of second stage will be high. At the same time, if one stage is in conducting state, the other stage will be in non-conducting state. Okay, so whenever one state is on, another state will be in off condition, like that. These all because of the cross coupling network. So structure of multivibrator. Each stage has a transistor. Cross coupling is connecting one stage output to another stage input. That's what I have said earlier. Okay, this process is called cross coupling. If you observe here, we'll have an cross mark here. This is called cross coupling. There will be two stages. Each stage will be having transistors like this, and the output of this transistor at collector, this is connected to input of next stage is base via a coupling network here. Likewise, same, the output of Q2, collector 2 is connected to base of Q1 via another coupling network. So these coupling networks plays a prominent role in deciding the multivibrator states or deciding the multivibrator types. Okay, so let us see few points about coupling network. In multivibrator, coupling network comprises of coupling elements that are only resistors and capacitors. Only we will be having resistors and capacitors. As we know, capacitor won't allow any sudden changes of current flow through it. So capacitor, it won't allow any sudden flow. That's why it will take some time to charge or to discharge. Because of that capacitor, we will be having some exponential type of variation in outputs. Okay, so based on the resistor and capacitor elements, the multivibrators are classified. We will see classification of multivibrators also. Before going to the classification, let us see the states of multivibrator. There will be only two states of multivibrator. They are stable state and quasi-stable state. Stable means constant state. That means the multivibrator will continue to be in this state until any external signal or input is applied. In general, the external signal or external input will be called as trigger input. Okay, In general, this is the rest state of multivibrator. That means it will continue in this state until unless any external disturbance, any forceful external signal is applied to change its state from the rest state. Okay, this state is caused by coupling element resistor. And quasi-stable state. The multivibrator automatically changes the state to stable from quasi-stable. So this is the temporary state of multivibrator. It automatically changes from quasi-stable state to stable state. Okay, this state is caused because of capacitor charging and discharging times. This is temporary state of multivibrator. As I said earlier, it doesn't require any external input to change its state. If capacitor charges completely, then automatically it moves into stable state. If capacitor discharges completely, then automatically it changes to stable state. Like that, based on the capacitor only, the states are changing. Okay, that is called the quasi-stable state. So if the coupling element is, in coupling network, if the element present is capacitor, then the quasi-stable state occurs. If there are only two resistors, then there will be no quasi-stable state. And types of multivibrators. What are the types of multivibrators means? There are three types of multivibrators. They are bistable, monostable, astable. By focusing on their names itself, you can easily tell what are the states it is having. So let us see this table. Type of multivibrator, coupling elements, states and number of trigger inputs. Bistable multivibrator. Bistable multivibrator. Bistable. Bi refers to two stable. So it is having two stable states. Two stable state means there will be no capacitor in coupling element. So both coupling elements will be resistance. Both stable states. So we need two trigger inputs. One is to change first stable state to second stable state, and another one is to change second stable state into first stable state. And next one is monostable. Monostable, the coupling element monostable. Mono means single, it will be having only one stable state. One stable state means the another will be defaultly quasi-stable state. So there will be one resistance and one capacitance, and we will be having one trigger input here. So we need only one trigger input to change from stable to quasi-stable. And next one is astable multivibrator. Astable, there will be no stable state. So only two states, they are both quasi-stable states here. So because of both quasi-stable states, we will be having coupling elements as capacitor and capacitor. There will be no trigger inputs required. Whenever the switch is on, it automatically changes its state from one quasi to another quasi. Now let us draw the basic circuits of bistable, monostable and astable. You also parallelly draw with me. As first part, draw two transistors. Okay, both emitters should be grounded. See, we are not drawing complete structures of multivibrators. We are just drawing only the basic view, how we are going to construct. That only we are going to draw. Okay, first one we have to draw astable multivibrator. Keep the table in hand with you. Place here or see astable multivibrator. The coupling elements should be both capacitors. Emitter 1, base 1, collector 1, emitter 2, base 2, collector 2. Okay, so the output of first stage C at collector 1, the capacitor from here is connected to base 2 At the same time, at collector C2, the output is connected to input of base 1, capacitor C1, capacitor C2. Okay, this is a stable multi-vibrator. Next, let us draw monostable. Name the transistors as Q1 and Q2 here also. Emitters should be grounded. Monostable. So, one stable state and one quasi-stable state. The elements are resistors and capacitors. So, I am taking capacitor here. You can keep capacitor at Q2 also. That's your wish. This is R. Okay, one capacitor, one resistor. This is monostable. This is just outline. This is not complete structure of multivibrators. The complete structure we are going to see along with explanation. Okay. Now draw bistable. Emitters should be grounded. Both coupling elements are resistors. R1, R2. Okay, these are the multivibrators. This is bistable multivibrator. These are the basic structures of multivibrators. While going into individual concept, we are going to see where the trigger input is applied, how it works, everything we are going to see. Okay. So till here, this is the basic introduction and terminologies of multivibrators that you have to get used.